So let's quickly look at this. When you want to number 1 to 3 to like write a serial number, and you used to do like 1, you go to 2, 3, and sometimes we now start, because this is selected 1 to 3, select all of them, and probably we drag down like this and we number like this. And then sometimes, most times, we actually tends to do it this way. So imagine if you are to number up to 5,000, like let's say you want to get to 2, so this is wasting time. You see, now you have to go it like this. Now this is wasting time, and then in some cases we just used to do it 1, some do 2, 3, 4. Like so many people who don't know how to get it done. You see people trying to get numbers and then maybe 4 and then 5, 6, 7. This is actually taking a very good time. So for the best thing you need to do is, assuming you want to number here horizontally, that is horizontal or vertically. So let's start with vertically, which is column. So you can actually start by probably start from here, any place you want to start your numbering. So I'm going to start here with 1. So when I want to start here 1, so I need to press alternate, that's Alt H. Then this will bring these options for you. So the next option you're supposed to press here is you press F, which is going to hold on. So I press F, and then F is going to narrow it down, which you are going here. So the next, after pressing F, you press I, and then this is going to bring a drop down for you for S. So you press S, so that's going to take you here. Now you can see here we have linear growth date. So make sure if you want to number column, change it to column, and then let's say you want to stop at 50, you can just type 50 here and click OK. And then when you click OK, that's actually going to get it done for you. So actually, if you're on home, so if you go here and click on series, you're going to see series here. So you see up here, when you click it, this is row, and then if you say you type 34 and then you click like this, so it is supposed to actually get you to that numbering pattern. So let's start. So when you get this done, so you enter 1 and then you go here, like I said, this have to be this way, and then you go down here, click on series here, and then you click on column, and then you should be able to enter 23 if it is column. And then when you click on this, you click OK, that is going to number it here for you to 23. So what did I do? I will come back again. I click on this. Like I said, the shortcut is you press alternate, and when you press alternate, all this is going to come out, and then when you press F, that is H, sorry, and then this is going to go up and bring you to this, and which is home, trying to refer to you as home. And then when you press F, takes you here, which is going to get you here to fill, and then you press I, and that is going to take you to here, where it is going to open up for you, taking you to series here. So if you press S, and that's going to take you to series. So if you want to number column, so you do the same thing. Let's say you put up here 23 and click OK, that's going to number this down for you to 23. So it's as simple as that. If you don't want to use the shortcut, wherever you are, maybe here that you want to start with 1, 2, 3, just go home. When you're home, instead of you clicking alternate, that is home, then fill, just go straight to where you have fill here, click on series here, and then if it is column that you want to number and you want to get up to 100, you can just come here and type 100, and that's going to number it down here to 100 for you. As you see here, that's just the fastest way to get it done, instead of you trying to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So completely come home, go to here, and then click on this, and this is going to come up. If you want to number column, you go to column, just type the number you want to number here, and then click OK, and that's going to run it down for you until 1000, like the way I typed in 1000. So this is a perfect way of getting your to lists number into like series, making them alphabetical, like the way it is. You can see here I get up to 1000 and there is stop. So this is simply way to do it, and not the other way around. With this, you'll be able to achieve number list series in Excel. Yeah, so if you can ask any question.